Lee, can I come over to watch movies? No. You should just watch at home. Okay. What a weirdo. What is good, YouTube? It is Leon from Sneaker Klinic, and today, by the way, this is a shoe mic. Don't copy our idea. We're going to give you a cool, awesome... Why is it wet already? Cleaning tutorial / restoration. Let's put this lid over there where it's not gonna get wet. Ooh, Air Jordan 1? Brett? No. Chicago's? Oh no. Spider-Man's? Yes. Hold on. Lee replied, he will come over soon. No, I'm not home. Sorry guys, my customer wants me to deoxidize the bottoms of this because that's what happens when you have clear translucent soles, icy soles. You know, even if you're going to keep it ice in the box, you don't wear it, it's going to turn yellow eventually over time. That's just how it is. But this, you can tell the guy actually wore it a few times. I'm surprised this Air Jordan 1 origin story actually is selling for a lot of money, at least for dead stock. What we're gonna do is clean the bottoms first. Grab your Reshoevn8r stiffy brush, sneaker cleaner, whatever cleaning solution that is safe for the rubbers, clean bowl of water. Put this crap in there, get started. Make sure you get some clean cloths. Ooh, what's this? Should I steal some laces? Yeah, laces. I need some red laces. Oh, what is this? Ooh, legit receipt. $2.15 Canadian. That's pretty cheap. For some reason, this side, those white dots, they are very, very noticeable compared to this one. I don't know why, but I'm pretty sure they're both legit. So put this over here because I don't freaking care about it. By the way, that's exactly why I don't want to invite Lee over, because if he knows that I'm cleaning a Spider-Man shoe, oh my God, he's never gonna leave. All right, so practice. It's good enough. Shake off some. I'm gonna hold the shoe like so. Let's test the spot. See if it actually makes the icy soles back to icy again from all this nasty yellowiness. Woo! Okay, let's wipe this down. Let's test it out first. Yeah. See that? It's not too bad. So we're gonna go ahead and clean the entire bottom. Both sides, of course. Make sure that it is as clean as possible. And then we're gonna get to the part where we're gonna actually put some Angelus sole shields. Yeah, we're gonna put some Angelus sole shields on this. We're gonna put some Angelus Sole Bright on the soles and basically show you guys how to reverse this yellowy process. Yeah, I had to freaking take the shoes from Lee. I don't know how he managed to find his way into my home. But yeah, here, check it out. Good sweep, very sexy sweep. Don't worry about the little dirts. Yeah, right there on the butt crack. Where's another one? Yeah, it's all good. You can still put the Sole Bright stuff on. Just make sure when you're happy, it's all icy and good. You still have to clean the outsoles. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do when it's done. Oh, hey, it's finally sunny outside. Woo! Oh my God, how long did I sleep for? Let me look at my fake watch. I've been asleep for a week. Look how icy it is. I'm gonna use one of my older Angelus's brush. You need an applicator because you don't want to get this on your skin. Actually, I should wear gloves. Oh, you're gonna need shrink wrap. Make your own gloves. Right? Just be creative. Yeah, that's good enough. There's no grip. All right, this is gonna be dangerous. Let's open this Soul Bright up. Oh, oh my God, this is slippery. All right, grab your clean applicator. Double check your outsoles. Make sure that it is clean. There's no other crap that happened to be on it. I shouldn't speak too close to it because my saliva. I'm gonna cover this up, but don't do it too thick and don't do it too thin. I can already tell this is gonna take a few sessions of outdoor UV sunlight. Now let me demonstrate. Ooh. All right, cool. What else should I say? Check out the grooves. All these little grooves. Try to get the Soul Bright in between the grooves as well. It's gonna use a lot of your product. This product is not cheap. That's why I hate doing this. And no, I don't have an indoor UV setup anymore. It was working, but it wasn't working quick enough. So I am going back to outdoors now. Should I just pour? No. If you have an indoor UV setup, that's actually better because you can use it all year round. Don't have to wait for the sun. Especially now, it's winter, right? We don't have much sunlight. Luckily today, it is a very nice, a beautiful sunny day. Crap, you know what? I don't want to do this. Oh, crap. All right, this is a no-no. Should I just deoxidize my my Air Jordan 11s? Oh my God, this. I can't even remove the gloves. What? If this happens, be an Asian. Reuse. Don't waste. All right, I'm gonna have to clean this as soon as possible. I don't want it to deoxidize my countertop. Good enough. And place the shoe right in the middle, just like installing sole shields. I'm gonna fold the tippity tip like so. Just wrapping the butt up. Make sure it's secure. It's not secure. If it's not secure, tape it up. Grab some tape, secure the areas, and that is how it is. Put it out in the sun, I would say for like an hour, a couple hours, depending how bad it is. And if need be, repeat the session. This is gonna need a few, so let's go out there and test it out. Yeah, I'm gonna have to wait until the sun rises because it's over there right now, and we're over here in the shade. Okay, I'm gonna do this. I don't want to wait for the sun. It's a waste of my time. Let's put it back in the box. Ah, YouTube. I was not putting this back in the box. Don't do too many sessions because I think it's gonna actually damage rubber. It's not good for the material. If you do way too much, there's a point where you're gonna have to stop. It's okay to say no. Between each session, when you're done, make sure you rinse off the old stuff. Dry it before you apply new product on it. Wrap it all over again. That's why this is tedious. Man, you know what? I was actually just putting this back in the box. Check out my Instagram at Sneaker.Klinic. That's where I post all my work before and after. I'm kind of hungry. Oh. Okay, that's weird. This banana is already peeled. And that was a waste. Oh, it's gonna smell so fresh, and it's already farting already. Jan? Hello? Oh my God. Jan is not here. Okay. I need to take
the sexy Spider-Man shoe. Okay. Oh, so nice. Size, good. It is my size. Oh my god, Ian's camera. Is it filming? YouTube? Need to turn the light on. Wow. I will take the Spider-Man shoe. Oh, no. I think Ian is coming back. Okay, bye YouTube. Look the same up. Just put the stupid box there. Bye YouTube.